We're now going to discuss our third sampling strategy or technique, and that's called systematic sampling. And systematic sampling, it's a different kind of approach where we will choose a random spot on a list and then select every kth row after that. That's maybe hard to understand, so that's kth I'm saying. And what k is equal to, and I'll show you here how we determine that increment, is we consider what's the size of our population. Well, if you haven't watched my other videos prior to this, there's 2,548 players in my data file, the entire league in 2022, and we're seeking out a sample of 250 NFL players. Okay, so we're going to take the population size and divide it by the desired sample size. That would be here, 2,548 divided by 250, which is approximately 10.2 if you put it into your calculator. So we're going to choose k is going to be equal to 10 in this case, or we're choosing every 10th player on the list. Okay, so we don't want to start necessarily at the beginning of the list. We're going to have to figure out a random spot on our list to start. So to help us with that, we're going to go to just a little thing I found in Google, which will, if we give it the numbers 1 through 2548, which is our sample size, or our population size, I should say, we're going to ask it within that range of numbers to randomly select a number. So if we hit generate here, okay, it randomly found the number 319. That is where we're going to start on our list. And then choose every 10th player. And I'll just show you how that looks. I will not choose all of them. That would take way too much time. But let me just pop over to the data file here. And here's our data file. Here's our population. Let's scroll down to 319. Oops, went past it. So randomly selected the starting point. Here we are. There's 319. And then I would come through 10 players later, select another player, count down 10 players, select another one, and that's the kth there, that increment. And oops, not that one, 349. I don't know if it'll allow me to, yeah, allow me to deselect that. So I would continue in this fashion, or maybe even speed it up with some sophisticated computer work. And that would essentially, as if I do that and then cycle back to the top once I get to the bottom, that will collect approximately 250 players that would then be in our sample. And then we would contact to fill out our survey. And that is an example of systematic sampling.